Good morning, everyone. So, in today's science class, we will study soil profile. Soil is composed of distinct layers. Distinct means different layers. तो soil के अंदर जो है different layers you can see, you can observe it. How can you observe it? You can take a handful of soil and put it in a glass. आपने soil लिया and आप उसको glass में डालेंगे and the glass should be 3/4 filled with water, यानी more than half, पूरे से कम 3/4 filled with water. Okay, and dissolve the soil in this glass filled with water. आपने dissolve किया and then keep it for the some time. उसको अनडिस्टर्ब रहने दीजिए, उसको छेड़ना नहीं है. कीप इट फॉर द सम टाइम. सो व्हाट यू विल ऑब्जर्व कि डिफरेंट लेयर्स ऑफ सॉइल यू कैन सी. लार्ज पार्टिकल्स जो होंगे सॉइल के दे विल गेट सेटल डाउन. उनसे जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स होंगे, स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स दे विल फ्लोट ओवर दिस लेयर. एंड जो फाइन पार्टिकल्स हैं, वेरी फाइन पार्टिकल्स, they will float over this particle, and then here the dirty water will remain here, and the dead leaves or dead matter will suspended here. Okay, so the large size particle that gets settled at the bottom of the glass is gravel. फिर कुछ small particles हैं, they are called sand, and then very fine particles clay, then water, and the dead matter in the soil, rotting dead matter in the soil is known as humus. Okay, so what do you mean by humus? The rotting dead matter in the soil. जो plants या animals जो हैं dead हो जाते हैं, then they get decomposed under the action of bacteria. कुछ बैक्टीरिया सॉइल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वो उनको डिकम्पोज कर देते हैं and that dead matter get converted into humus. So the rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. Now you can see the vertical section through different layers of the soil. And this vertical section, see, this is a vertical section. Vertical section means standing line. Standing line where you can see the different layers of the soil. It is called soil profile. Okay, so a vertical section through different layers of soil is called the soil profile. Now it has 4 divisions. Number 1, A horizon. The layers are also known as horizon. Okay, so A horizon means top soil, जो top पे है, that is A horizon and is also called top soil. Then the second one, B horizon, subsoil. B horizon is also known as subsoil. Then C horizon, and then last में there is a bedrock. Okay, now see the A horizon. Now we will study about A horizon. You can see from this diagram कि plants की growth जो है वो A horizon में होती है, and it is dark in color. It is dark in color. Your A horizon means top soil is dark in color, and plants growth take place in the top soil in A horizon. Why plants growth take place in A horizon? Because it is rich in humus. इसमें बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं, ह्यूमस है, मिनरल्स है. ठीक है, इसीलिए प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ जो है वो ए हॉरिजन में होती है, एंड इट इज रिच इन ह्यूमस एंड मिनरल्स. इसका टेक्सचर जो है इट इज वेरी सॉफ्ट. व्हेन यू विल टच इट, इट इज सॉफ्ट एंड इट कैन रिटेन वाटर इजीली. इसमें वाटर जो है रिटेन रहता है. रिटेन मीन्स वाटर को एब्सॉर्ब करती है. ठीक है, and this A horizon is a shelter for many living organisms. I told you in the last class also कि soil is the home for many living organisms. तो जितनी भी ants हैं, आपके centipedes हैं, earthworms हैं, they live in this horizon, A horizon. Okay, the roots of small plants are embedded in it. और जो plants की root होती हैं वो यहाँ तक होती हैं, इसी small plants की root जो है वो A horizon तक होती हैं. ठीक है, Now the next come your B horizon. B horizon is also called subsoil. जो बहुत टॉल ट्रीज बिग प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी रूट्स जो है वो बी हॉरिजन तक आती है और इसमें ह्यूमस नहीं होती. लेस ह्यूमस इज प्रेजेंट हियर बट मिनरल्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो ज्यादा है बी हॉरिजन में. ओके एंड इट इज मोर कॉम्पैक्ट. ओके थोड़ा कॉम्पैक्ट होता है. सॉइल के पार्टिकल्स जो हैं इसमें थोड़े बड़े होते हैं. The next come your sea horizon. As you can see from the diagram कि sea horizon में जो particles का size है that is more than the particle size present in B horizon. Okay. The last come bedrock. Bedrock में तो there are rocks. जो large size की जो rocks हैं जिनकी weathering नहीं हुई है means जिनका breakdown नहीं हुआ है these are present here. And it is difficult to dig. इनको जो है dig करना जो है it is difficult. Okay, now you can see the explanation of these parts. A horizon topsoil, dark in color, rich in humus, soft texture, can retain water easily, and it provides shelter for many living organisms, and roots of small plants are embedded in the topsoil. The next come your B horizon. It contains less humus but more minerals and it is hard and more compact. Okay. The next is C horizon. It contains small rocks means particles का size जो है it is more than the particle size that are present in the B horizon. And D means sorry bedrock. Bedrock is very hard and there are large pieces of rock. बहुत बड़े pieces होते हैं rock के that are not weathered. Weathered means they are उनका breakdown जो है वो नहीं हुआ हुआ. Okay, size of the rocks is large. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you class and have a nice